How to know if you have been blocked on Facebook. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook. Click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Click on your profile, which is your name. It will lead you to your profile. In here, scroll down and click on Friends. And search for them and your friend. If they are not available, it means they have blocked you. Another way is simply click on search button at the top right corner of your screen on Facebook feed. Then search for their profile. If their profile is visible, they have not blocked you, but by searching their exact username and you don't see their profile, that means they have blocked you. And this is how to know if you have been blocked on Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.